everyone, we're going to write the equation of a parabola that passes through the given points. So what we're going to do is set this up as a system of equations. Our standard form is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So what we want to do is find our a, b, and c and fill that in. So what I'm going to do for 0, 1 is to plug it in the equation. So we have y is 1 and x is 0. So we're going to do a times 0 squared plus b times 0 plus c. Now what happens here is these two cancel. So right away we know that c equals 1. So this is going to be 1. Now for the next one, let's do the same thing. 2, negative 1. So our y is negative 1. Then we're going to write a times 2 squared plus 2. I'm just going to put 2b. I'll put the b second. That's the 2. And I'm going to go ahead and substitute in my c as 1, since we already know that's what it is. So what we get here is negative 1 equals 4a plus 2b plus 1. If I subtract 1 from both sides, so if I subtract 1, I get negative 2 equals 4a plus 2b. Now let me see if I can squeeze in the next one. So we have 1, 3. So this is going to be 1 equals square the 3, so that's going to be 9a plus 3b plus 1. And if I subtract the 1 from both sides, I get 0 equals 9a plus 3b. So let's go ahead and solve this system. So we're going to take negative 2 equals 4a plus 2b. So let's write that out. Negative 2 equals 4a plus 2b or 3b? 2b. And we have 0 equals 9a plus 3b. So to solve this, what we want to do is go ahead and make one of these the same. We're going to use elimination. So what I'm going to do is multiply the numerator, or the first equation, by negative 3. And I'm going to multiply the second equation by 2. And what you get when you do that is you're going to get 6 equals negative 12a minus 6b. And then for our second equation, we get 0 equals 18a plus 6b. Now that we did that, we can add. And what you're going to get is 6 equals, this cancels, and negative 12a plus 18a is 6a. So that gives me a equals 1 when you divide both sides by 6. So we already have c equals 1 and b equals, or a equals 1. Now to find your b, all we're going to do is plug in our a into one of these equations. So I can just I'll plug it into this one. So our a is 1, so you get 0 equals 18 times 1 is 18 plus 6b. Therefore, subtract the 6b from both sides, or you could subtract, let's subtract the 18 from both sides. So you just subtract the 18, you get negative 18 equals 6b. Divide both sides by 6, you get negative 3 equals b. So our equation is going to be y equals 1 times x squared minus 3 times x plus c is 1. Or you can write this as y equals x squared minus 3x plus 1. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.